Hi friends! Welcome back to CAD Magics. In today's video, I have brought a Lisp which can provide us the coordinates of any location instantly in some clicks. Just like this. So, in this video you will learn how you can get it and use it in your drawings. In my previous tutorial video on title, AutoCAD Coordinate Systems Explained, I have shared how we can extract AutoCAD coordinate to external Excel file and also how we can import coordinates from Excel to AutoCAD. You can have a look on this video too for clear knowledge about AutoCAD Coordinate System. In that video, I have provided a download link for this dynamic block too. This dynamic block which we can see here displays X and Y coordinate of a location point of its peak point. We can just copy or move it from one place to another. We can flip with this flip parameter. Stretch it with this grip point. And move it by its location point. And upon typing our E for reason, we can see the coordinates updates automatically. I have also uploaded a video titled AutoCAD Automatic SOP Coordinates Dynamic Block Tutorial, in which you can learn how to make that block by yourself. Likewise, there are many other videos with free downloads of Lisp and blocks in my channel you might be interested. Okay, here we can see a Lisp file. I have named it as CAD Magics and in brackets, quick coordinates. Let's copy it with Ctrl+C. Then in AutoCAD, type AP and press Enter. Right-click somewhere here and click Paste. Give the administrative permission. Then select it and click at this load. We can see our CAD Magics Lisp file has been successfully loaded here. Now close this dialog box. Before we go ahead, did you subscribe the channel yet? Your supports are very important to encourage me to create new videos. So, do like, comment and subscribe the channel if you find this video useful till the end. Also share it to others. Now by loading the Lisp file here, we have activated the two different commands in our AutoCAD file. Let's type the first command, ENC, which means easting and northing coordinates. So, let's type ENC and press Enter. Then click at the point for which we want to show the easting and northing. Then we can see this dashed line linked with the cursor. Click at the location where we want to put the coordinate text. We can see coordinates text has been generated automatically. And once we have placed the text, we can again go on clicking the points and placing the text. Like this. We do not need any manual typing. When finished, just press Escape. We can readjust the text placement by clicking on the text and click at this text grip and move the cursor and click where we want to relocate. This line will be automatically readjusted. Don't click on this line form moving this text, it will not move, rather it will create problem. And also this coordinate text will not be updated automatically if we move this point location like in the dynamic block in our previous video. Now, the second command is X, Y, C. And yes, they mean X and Y coordinates. So let's type X, Y, C and press Enter. First click for point location and second for coordinate text placement. Everything is same. The only difference is that X and Y is shown in place of E and N. I have added this other option because I know we all need these both options. If you find this Lisp useful and want to have it, click at the link provided at the description below. And if you see this message, sorry, unable to open the file at this time, don't worry. Just type the number 4 after this WC in the link like this and press Enter. Then you will see this download page. Click at this download and you will see the file is downloading. You can copy it and paste on your AutoCAD and start using it. And, that's all. I hope this Lisp file will somehow be useful for drafters and designers. And, I still have hundreds of useful Lisp files at my backup. There are already some videos in my channel which can be useful to you. As you can see, my channel is very new, do not hesitate to support by sharing, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop your views in the comments below and we can discuss. For now, thanks for watching, and keep drafting passion alive.